Junior eating porridge. You want porridge too?
No, man. I have a question.
Okay. What is the question?
If you had a chance to bring back a celebrity, who would it be?
Bring back
A celebrity
from where?
from the dead.
From dead.
Yeah. Suppose they die and then who would you bring back? Like a good person. Celebrity. Remember, it can be actor, singer.
I guess you know my answer.
Who?
My grandma.
That he was a celebrity.
Yes.
What?
She's been in a movie.
Mommy,
No.
mommy. I was gonna say your grandma,
Yes.
but I got confused and see what.
She is a celebrity for me.
Except a family member.
Except a family member?
Yeah. Like a movie actor or something.
No, I have nothing to do with them.
So it's daddy.
Naruto.
You.
So yes, my answer is Dadi.
Junior, so who would you?
Oh, I know your own. Mommy, I know Jess's own. XXX.
Kind of got it correct.
I told you.
Okay.
XXX.
Kind of got it correct.
I am.
Junior, so who's yours?
Mine's kind of. Technoblade.
Blake never dies.
Yeah. Techno.
I don't know them people. I'm sorry.
Mommy, this is a legend. A legend.
I'm sure he is, but I don't know.
It's a legend at rapping.
Okay.